Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Financeable, where we upload videos related to finance, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to enter promo code on BetMGM. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar type in betmgm.com. Once you press enter, it will ask you to select your location. Make sure to select the correct location, and then it will take you to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you'll have to log into your account, and if you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on this register button. Once you have your account, click on the login button, and then it will ask you to enter your login credentials. Once you have entered your account details, click on this login button, and in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you do so, you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you're on your account, to redeem your promo code, all you have to do is click on this deposit button. Then it will take you to another page where you can find redeem code option. In that box, you'll have to enter your 12-digit code and then press on the redeem button. Once you do so, the promo code will be applied. Then you can use that promo code while placing a bet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.